Hello! I just transferred my mead over into its bottles. Do you want to see? Too bad. I will not be taking a final gravity reading because when I created this batch, I neglected to take an original gravity reading. But at the end of the day, it's alright. I know there's alcohol in this, and I'm gonna drink it. So we started by getting some airflow going by putting the bottling wand into the bottle. And then I just give this a few pumps, and now she's going. Any of you who have siphoned gas from a car gas tank will probably be familiar with this process. I was not. So as you can see, gravity is on our side. There's one small problem. The problem we have is there is still some carbon dioxide trapped in that liquid. Can we drink it? Absolutely. It's not unsafe. Does it taste fine? Absolutely. Still tastes great. But will it make it taste better? Yes, absolutely. So we should do that. Because why not make something taste better? It's literally just a hand pump suction. It'll hurt your eyes. Greetings. We're now outside enjoying nature with our new bottle of mead. Let's try it. Delicious.